Hello guys and welcome to Vlogging Project. It's Tony here, your favorite YouTuber. Today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of the Nokia 8.3, and in case you're wondering, man, why are you doing this unboxing so late? Wasn't this phone released in the middle of the pandemic in 2020? Well, yes it was. I really like the design, but I didn't like the price. It was over £360 here in the UK, which is extremely overpriced considering the specifications of this phone. So why did I get it then? Well, £183 on eBay, open box, new phone. You can't really beat that. If you want to have access for such deals, follow me on my Ko-fi page, guys. I post these deals free, available for everybody. Donations are absolutely optional, guys. So that was a deal that I couldn't miss. But we have a problem. In case you haven't noticed, I never really reviewed any of the newer Nokia Android smartphones on my channel, simply because I had some not very positive experiences of the likes of the 5310 Nokia and the 800 TUF. I did some pretty interesting, band test videos on my channel and reviews. Of course, make sure you check them out. When you say Nokia to me, that's what I think about, guys. As you can see from this screenshot, I've got quite a healthy Nokia collection. I didn't feel like, bringing down, especially for this video, but because, you get my point. You see where I'm coming from over here. Let's face it, this is a different company, different Nokia company with different products, guys. So, nevertheless, I like the design of this phone. It's a big phone. It's running stock Android experience. I'm gonna take it out of the box and talk about it. But first, these guys on eBay, I mean, this is not an advertisement of any kind. Check this out. I asked them before I bought this phone, guys, does it come, with accessories? They said, yes, it comes with the accessories. What I meant was, does it come with a box and, with a charger? But it came with this original case over here. It came with this HMD Connect data SIM card, which I never really heard about before. It came with this grip over here, guys, and most importantly, it came with this brand new, sealed Nokia earbuds over here, Bluetooth ones, the Nokia Power earbuds. So all of these accessories, they're like 40-50 quid for all of them, guys. So essentially you're getting the phone for 130, which is absolutely mind-blowing, guys. Let's have a look at these specifications. First, Nokia was kind enough to put most of them on the box right here. So first of all, the phone was released with Android 10, updated straight away to Android 11, guys. The camera department looks healthy as well. 64 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel macro, useless, 2 megapixel depth, useless. And what they missed is, the 12 megapixel super wide angle camera. I really don't know why they thought that, the 2 megapixel depth is more important to put it than 12 megapixel wide. But nevertheless, 24 megapixel front camera and Zeiss optics. Now, I want to make this very clear. What does Zeiss optics means? Eventually color grading of the photos, which is going to make them a little bit dull and not Samsung-like, not that saturated. And you've got this protection over here, guys, anti-flare or whatever it is. Check this out. These glasses are with Zeiss protection as well. And as you can see, what is the reflection over here, which is definitely a positive, but don't get your hopes too high, guys. You're not getting, a full flagship camera over here. The screen is unfortunately a 1080p unit, 6.81 unit, absolutely massive screen, guys. Also audio, 3D spatial audio, I'm really not sure about that, as it has only a mono speaker over here, but nevertheless, Snapdragon 765G. This is an okay chipset according to my personal usage. And check this out, I've got the 6 gigs of version with a 64 gigs of internal storage, guys, which is a kind of entry level, but let's say it is fine, guys. So specification wise, this phone is fine. Is it worth over 300 pounds? Of course not, but check this out. This is something special, guys. Check this out. I really love what I see because design wise, this is special and this is glass as well. Now the phone is absolutely massive. Let me put it this way. The phone is absolutely massive. You've got the Nokia logo over here, which I love pretty much. You've got the hole punch, which shouldn't be a problem with a phone that big. You've got face unlock. Let me demonstrate that. There you go. It's not one of the fastest, but it's this face unlock. And on this side, you've got the fingerprint over here, guys. Like the previous Sony devices, it works without pushing on it. You just touch it like that and it unlocks. Again, not the fastest, but definitely doable. And you've got stock Android experience as well. Check this out, guys. This is all of the applications that you're getting. Of course, I installed Kazja, but pretty much that's it, guys. I mean, that's it. I recently updated, where is it? It's in my other pocket, the Samsung Galaxy A80. Check this out, the one with the rotating camera, 400 built-in applications, guys. Let that soak in. And over here with these Google applications, you're probably looking at about 60 applications in total, something like that. I mean the built-in applications, not the Google ones. But yeah, I mean, check this out, absolutely no bloat whatsoever, and the screen looks fine despite being an LCD screen, by the way. Now, one other thing, this phone is 230 grams, guys, which is quite heavy already. The battery inside is 4500 milliamp hours. To be honest with you, considering the size, I was expecting at least 5000 milliamp hours because they definitely have the space. But 4500, if it gets me 8 hours of screen on time, 8 to 9 hours, I'm gonna be happy, to be honest with you. Now the camera, check this out, size, which is nice, and the rest of the cameras over here, the 4 cameras. So what else do we get? We've got a SIM pin tool over here, guys. We've got some, you know, Apple style earbuds, but they're black at least this time. And we've got a charger and a cable, and of course the instruction manual. Some in stock Android, you're really used to that. Now we've got the cable over here, guys, and the charger, and the charger is only 18 watts. They didn't quote any kind of fast charge, which is fine, because 18 watts is actually slow, not fast. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, my hopes are not very high for this device. On the other side, I really like what I see. I like the design of this device, guys. So let's see if it delivers, guys. Let's see, we've got a 3.5mm jack as well, by the way. So the basics are here. Now I'm gonna have to test the battery, and I'm gonna have to test the cameras, and of course the audio department. These are the important stuff. And of course, if you go on eBay now, you can find one under 250 pounds, which is pretty much fantastic. So yeah, really good value for money for a 5G device over here from Nokia. So let me give it a chance, and I'm gonna see you in the next few weeks for the full review. Thank you very much, and stay subscribed to volokinproject in the meantime. Thanks again, guys, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Adios.